Here I am on my test track. I'm going to see if this works or not. I hope it does. So 3, 2, 1. Hello, I went to Chesterfield Market today. It is Thursday the 19th of August, and every Thursday in Chesterfield they have an antiques market. If you ever go to Chesterfield, there's a market building in the middle of the market square, and if you go like find where Boots is, then you see where the market building is, and the other side of that, the far side, so if you're facing the front entrance of Market Hall and you go behind it, there's more market stalls there, and there's a nice chap who sells old model railway stuff. And this was £48, but he was selling it for £45, but got him down to £40. I know the box is upside down. Hornby Railways, 00 gauge scale model. It's a 460 Great Western, number 5924. Well, let's get it out of its box anyway. Rather a tatty old box. I can't show you the label. There is no label. I can show you the end, but there's only like one flap on this end. So the chap told me he's had this for a very long time, and he said it has been tested, but he's not quite too sure if it works. So, and he says if it doesn't work, I can take it back next week, and he would give me back my money. And you can see how dirty this box is. It's like not very well cleaned at all. So this is it. There's no electrics in the tender. There's no wires going from the tender to the loco, so there's no pickups whatsoever. It's like plastic wheels. It does not have spring buffers, so this looks quite, as I said, he's had it for quite a few years, so it's plastic coal. That he did have a bit of a price tag on that, it's a bit of string, but he took it off. It's very light. I don't know if you can quite read that, but it does say Hornby built in Britain, and how well you can see that, but it does actually say that. I can just about read it, so you have to take my word for that. And the actual loco, again, no spring buffers, bit of hair, yucky yuck. I can only see 2 pickups. I think it's called Kneller Hall. It's not light, it's not heavy, somewhere in the middle. It's a little bit weighty. It has got detail in the cab, but it's not painted, but there is some detail in the cab. There's no, well, there are windows, but there are no coverings in the window, if you see what I mean. Looks like there's a half window there. It's all plastic. It's all moulded. As you can see, I can only see 2 pickups. So I don't know how well this is going to run. I'm going to take it apart. So let's take it downstairs to my test track and then see how well it runs. I think that's all I can tell you about it. Just notice something. Along the bottom on the back it says, made in England by Hornby Hobbies Rovex Limited. I wonder where we've heard that name before. The name Rovex. Oh yeah, that's where we've heard the name Rovex before. If you want to see my review about this model, take a look at the link either at the top or below. On my test track, I'm going to see if this works or not. Hope it does. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, made a bit of noise there. Kind of works. Probably needs a bit of warming up, I expect. I can smell some burning smell. I don't know if that's bad, isn't it? It's left its tender behind. Okay, that's the test track done. Let's put it on my layout, and that's like a fairly new controller. That's the Hornby's newer basic controller. Let's try it on my duet and see how it performs with my duet.
Okay, we can start off on JJ's corner slope and see if it goes. Passing through JJ's corner slope. Let's stop at the station, where magically a couple of carriages will appear. Okay, I've put 2 teak carriages on it. Let's see how it performs. Done that quite well. Harry doesn't like slow speed, he likes fast speed. Okay, well, let's put 2 more carriages on it. I've changed my mind a bit. Again, we're going to start on the JJ's corner slate. This time, got 3 teak carriages and got a motor rail car carrier on the end, carrying 6 Rolls Royces. So let's see how this goes. I think once it gets going, it gets going. It does flutter sometimes. Going round JJ's corner slate. But it's pretty good going for quite an old loco. Down the JJ slope, and I'll gently pull it in that station. Well, that's my review of the 460 Great Western. I think it says Colonel Hall on it, 5934 number it is. Hope you enjoyed my little review. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you. Bye.